Yo, it's your main man, WokeTheGod. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but today we're going to be working on a couch. It's a part of a build that I'm currently working on. So far, it's a 3D couch. It has deposition in it. Basically, deposition from my standard of the word is like how when you look at something in 3D, it gets smaller on the outside and it's larger in the front. Like in the front, it's from here to here. And from here to here are two different heights. All right. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna copy this segment, and paste it. So also what you see happening is basically it also gets smaller in height, not just width. So you have to be careful when you do it like so. Just copy that and bring it down one more. Take out the stretch. Stretch, make it static. Stretching. So another thing, I usually do this afterwards, but I just want to correct up how it's sitting. I'm going to use the polyfill now. I'm coloring the back of this blue. You guys can use any color, but I'm sure you know that by now. I want you guys, I'm still not sure if you guys can hear me, so like to me it's like a little awkward. Like I don't know. I don't know if I can be heard as of yet. So I kind of feel like I might be just talking for no reason. I'm hoping that you can hear me. Otherwise, it'd be creepy as shit. Like, well, not creepy, but like a waste of my breath. So I kind of want to stop talking because I feel like you can't hear me, but I don't know. So I used the wrong color for the polyfill. I'm gonna copy this again. What I'm thinking, actually, I can't even do that because polyfill doesn't have gradients yet, probably. I was thinking of using a gradient for it, but the fuck is you not the same color for? Alright. I never copied the right color. Double key. Alright, so I'm gonna hit this right here. Manicure. Alright, so then I'm gonna also hit the same polyfill color right here. Paste it. So now the back wall for the couch is kind of lined up. And a nice little sit you see there, you see right there. All right, so what I'm gonna do right here, is I'm gonna hit this piece. I'm gonna copy it, I'm gonna paste it right at the bottom. And that's the main problem here. All right, so I'm gonna hit you with a 0. Okay, that's 180. I'm gonna send this to the back. I'm really hoping you guys can hear me, man. I don't know. So basically what I'm using to record, I'm using the dual recorder. And it's very helpful and useful for what we're going for today. This is just a video off my phone. Shit. Whenever I talk shit. And I don't know, like right now, like I'm a little stuck because my thought processing is a little stuck on like you guys might not be able to hear me. So if you can't hear me, it's gonna be what I said. It's fucking awkward as shit. Like the fuck? Like we was just talking. Not awkward, like you won't feel the awkward if you can't. Oh my god. It's just a me problem right here. If you can't hear me, suggest for me to feel strange about paste. How does my dick taste? How does my dick taste? How does my dick taste? Alright, so this right here, this is looking fucking gorgeous. I can get all the way down with that. Alright. And then like right here, I don't know if that's fucked. Yeah, it's fucked. I might have to drop this just a little lower because it looks like it's not hitting how I want it to hit. So I'm gonna split it. I might split it again, no I won't. So I'm gonna take this piece right here, I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna paste this. But this entire thing is gonna be this color. Copy. Copy. Paste. Did my dick taste. So now I'm gonna stretch you right here to the end and push you back one. It's still on 180, but I always do that just to make sure, like kind of like OCD with it. Paste, paste, paste. Oh, that's fucking hard. Alright, so what I'm gonna do instead of that beforehand, actually I can kind of just hit it like this, paste, and then come over here. Not you. Then push this back. I think this is what we need to be going for, push back. Alright, fuck it. I do not like that. So I'm gonna delete polyfill. I don't like what I'm looking at here. I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna copy this segment and just paste it there in a fucking square. You wanna be a bitch. Since you wanna be a bitch, oh, I don't even need a polyfill now. Okay, so basically now it's just gonna sit here like this, kind of depthed and depth edited. And while it's like that, well, move. While it's like that, I'm gonna grab this up. Right over here. Copy that. Bring it over here to this part. Paste you. I don't know if I want to paste it though, to be very honest. Oh, wrong. Paste. Those are my dick taste. That's my problem with that. Push forward. So I'm just gonna have to push it forward. Oh. Yeah, fuck that. That shit's hard. That right there is hard. I'm trying to wonder how their butts will kind of glue to this. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take this color in the front. I'm gonna wrong side. I'm gonna copy it. And right before it's over, undo, undo. Yeah, that's horribly worse. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm trying to figure out where this shit starts. It's gonna look like that. So I'm gonna paste that right there. Alright, I'm gonna start here. And bring the polyfill over here, over here, and back up here. Poly, 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 fill. Alright, and that's looking pretty hard and dingy besides for this shit right here. I don't know how that happened. I don't know when that happened. But basically, this is the couch, but the bottom part is kind of fucked up in a sense. So I'm gonna just undo it, delete it. This is gonna be part one, I think, because I'm running out of space on my phone.